how was your experience as a beginner? It was a very interesting experience. When you are at the beginning and you're learning skills that you had no clue about, you're going to take up so many things yourself and think that you're invincible, which is the case. Probably you started from the beginning, you're wearing all the hats, which is very important. Now, very important thing is that when you're starting from the beginning, something that I wish that I would have done more consciously is sitting back just a bit and realizing which are the skills that I'm naturally already good at, which are the skills that I'm okay at, which are the skills that I am zero good at, so I don't have any knowledge in it, and then which are the skills that I definitely don't want to do them. And then make a list for yourself based on these, understand which are the things that you should be doing and which are the things that you should be looking for someone else to help with. When I started, I knew no SEO, no PPC, no creatives, no dealing with suppliers and manufacturing. And we were outsourcing manufacturing to this company in China and had those back and forth with them. There were a lot of things that happened and I was working quite a lot. I mean, at least 80 to 90 hours per week just to follow up with everything. What I wish I knew back then is which are my skills that I'm naturally good at and which are the skills that I should be using. I had a lot of soft skills, which means that I was good at talking to people, I was good at following up, I was good at even negotiating. So those were the things that I was naturally good at. But then there are also some things that you would have to learn on your own unless you have the money to outsource. For me, it was, I feel like swimming without knowing how to swim. That's exactly it. But your courage that you're starting right away and you are just like, no, I'm here, I'm going to learn this. That is going to put you in front of so many people who become complacent just because they think that now they know. In today's session, what I'm going to prioritize especially is even beginner questions, because most of the time, what I've seen, me from a beginner's point of view, what I noticed is that there were a lot of beginners in all these groups that I was participating in that were e-commerce focused. But what they never did is they never spoke up. They never asked their question. They were afraid that they are going to go across as if someone who doesn't know. And this is huge pressure, especially if you just started and are producing a lot of revenue. So that's the first thing I would love you to do. Ask questions, as many as you can.